Hello viewers, you're welcome back to my channel. If we are meeting for the first time, my name is Ngozi and the name of my channel is Ngozi. Here we do a lot of fertility things, weight loss, health and beauty tips. If you are new, please don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to know when next I upload another video. So on today's video, I'm going to do something different from what I used to do before. I do mainly home remedy stuff here. So, but today I'm going to do a review on a product that my husband just bought. And this product is called Counter Top Drinking Water Filter. I really don't know why my camera is doing this. I think I didn't set it well, but this is what the name is called. Countertop Drinking Water Filter. So actually somebody just introduced us to this and we decided to give it a try. We've been buying bottled water here, but according to the person that introduced us to this, it said that this filter is very nice, that the quality water is going to give to us is the same quality water we'll get from bottled water. So we are going to give it a try. So look at, it says here, these are the things that it does. It says, number one, it says bottled water. One, it says bottled water quality on top in, number one says bottled water quality on tap in your own home. Bottled water quality on tap in your own home. This is, you get a quality of bottled water in your own home with this filter. Number two says long life filters, great value for money. So it lasts for long. So according to the man that sold this to us, he says that you can use it as long as possible, but you only need to do one thing, yearly, which means you need to change the filter every year and you need to wash the filter every month. So that is it. Number three says simple to install and use. Simple to install, use and maintain. So it's very, very simple to install. You can actually install it by yourself. Then number three says no power required, low running costs. So you're not going to pay extra costs for using this at home. You don't need power to use it. As long as your tap is running, you are good to go. Then you say eco-friendly, reusable filter cartridge. So like I've said before, you change the filter every year. So, and this company says they have 175 years experience, a proven brand you can trust. So let's go. We want to trust this. We want to try this brand to know if you can trust it. So it says that it's a high efficacy filter, 99.99% plus filtration of bacteria, cysts and particles. Then it says that it has long life, as we've read before. I think we're not going to, okay. The other one now says antibacterial formulation, contains silver to inhibit microbiological growth within the ceramics. So there is a silver that was installed inside the ceramics. This is to prevent antimicrobes. This is to prevent microbes from growing inside the filter. That's why it was installed. When you say it retains essential minerals, so this means that it keeps good minerals that will be needing in the water. It doesn't filter them away. No power required, as we've said before. So these are the things that it filters. These are the things that it filters away. These are the things that it filters away. It says that it filters pathogenic bacteria. It filters them away. Cryptosporidium, it filters it away. Guardian, it is, and etc. etc. So many other bacteria. It filters all these things away. Particles down to 0.5 microns, it filters it. Example is rust. If there is rust in water, it happens here. Sometimes when when they are, as in the people in charge of water, when they are washing the main tank that distributes water, if you are unfortunate to fetch water, then it will be kind of rusty. The color will be browny kind of. So if in case something like that happens when you're trying to fetch water with your filter, it is not going, you're not going to get it. It's going to filter it away. Chlorine is going to filter away. If there is any chloride in your water, it's going to filter it away. Improves taste and odor. These are the things it's going to remove from, and heavy metals as well. So let's see how the filter itself looks. Unfortunately, I deleted the video while it was being installed. So I don't have the video while it was being installed. But it's very simple. This is the mouth of the filter. You just remove the mouth of your own tap, then fix it. Put something like a ring, a rubber, a ring. It's a rubber like a ring. Just put it there to hold it tight. Then you screw it and you tighten it. That's all you need to install it. So right now, but unfortunately there is no pressure. So this is how this works. You can use the tap while you are still using the filter, but you will be controlling your tap from here instead. This is the mouth that comes with that came with the filter. So once you install it on your tap, you remove the original mouth of the tap, the original mouth that looks like this. You remove it, then you now put, there was one this I showed you at the when I was removing the filter. So is if your tap does not have a matching mouth, then you will use that one instead. So but this one is the same match with the filter, the one that came with the filter. So you just put it. So if you want to use your tap as normal, the normal way you use your tap, you just use this ring here. You just use this ring here. This ring here. Once you bring the ring down, your tap will start running normal. Then once you close it, your tap will be closed, but then your filter will start running. So that is how it works. So then if you want to put everything to an end, you just turn off your tap. So this is it. This is it. But the downside of this is that if you don't live in area where there is pressure, you may not be able to use this filter. That's the downside, the only downside of it. If you don't live in area where there is enough pressure, water pressure, where when the water is coming into the from the tap, it comes with enough pressure, you will not be able to use this, because it will take you like even like 10 hours before you can fetch one bottle of water. So apart from that, we've been using it anyway. This is not the first time we are using it. We target when there is pressure, then we'll fetch water with it. So far so good. It's very nice. The water that comes out from this is as neat as bottled water. There's no difference between this and the water and the mineral water we buy. Honestly, that is my honest review. There is no difference between the water I take here from the water I take from the bottled water that I usually buy. So right now, this is saving us lots and lots of cost of buying bottled water all the time, especially for those that live in Africa like us, where we don't always have good water supply. You just buy this, and that will be the end of your everyday buying bottled water, every day. It is very perfect. The first time we installed it, we allowed it to run for 15 minutes. So the first water we fetched was a kind of milkish. It was not milkish, it was white in color. Not this kind of white, a kind of cloudy, exactly. The first water we fetched with it was cloudy. So you allow it to run for 15 minutes. So that is part of the product that was used in manufacturing this thing. We were told actually that we supposed to leave it to run for 15 minutes. So after that 15 minutes, before the 15 minutes, the water will be very clear and clean and good. You will just be good to go. So no more buying of bottled water anymore. We now have our own bottled water producing company at home. Okay. It's very clean, very neat. Hey guys, that's just what I want to show you guys. Take care. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.